In this video, I'm going to show you how to delete a partition in Windows 10. So don't worry guys, this will also work in Windows 10, Windows 8 and 8.1 and in Windows 7. So in order to get started, what we need to do is we need to open the search box, then start typing partition so that we can open the disk management. So let me click this create and format hard disk partitions. So what I need to do guys is I wanna delete this new volume, then I wanna extend the global disk E. If you can see guys, it says 49 gig free of 50.1. Then this is 999 MB free of 0.99 gig. So let me clear one, let me maximize. So after it is open, I want to go to this global disk E, which is this one, and I wanna delete this new volume, then extend this global disk E. So if I go and right click on global disk E and say click extend, the extend volume, it doesn't wanna click because it is grayed out. So what we need to do is we need to go to this new volume, then right click on it, then say delete volume. Then it will say deleting this volume will erase all data on it. Pick up any data you want to keep before deleting. Do you want to continue? Let me click yes. Then this new volume will be light green, which illustrates that it is an free space. So let me go to this. Then you see it is no longer appearing. So what we need to do is we need to make this partition an unallocated file. So it is say this is an extended partition. The partition will become inaccessible if you delete it. Are you sure you want to delete this partition? Let me say yes. Then it will be black, which means that it is an unallocated partition. Then if I go to this global disk E now, the extend volume will be clickable. So let me say extend volume, then say next, then finish. Then wait for it up until it is done. You see, now that new volume G, it is gone. So if I'll refresh this window here, you see, you can even see now it says 50 gig free of 51.1 gig. So I did it guys. So this should be fun on you too. So this was it guys. If this video helped you, please like, comment, share and subscribe. See you on the next one. Peace.